Hello guys, it's Wicco here, and today I'm going to be making a video at the park. Explore! I guess there's Sandy Sand over there. He's probably making a video. It's nature. Oh, let's go to the field. There's basketball, but I don't have a basketball. That'd be amazing now. You can play basketball. Looks like a tractor was here. Yeah, it does. Let's walk on the tractor trails of the tractor. So let's explore. It's a big field. This is exploring in the tree. It's fun being in the shade because it's really hot out. No, someone littered. Someone littered again. Again. Oh no, that's just a leaf. Never mind. And again, they littered with their Dorito bags. That's disgusting. Let's help nature by getting rid of the Doritos back. Where's the trash can? This is disgusting. Let's go to the trash can. I will find you, whoever did this, and destroy you with all the power. And yeah, I'm throwing this away. So yeah, to see the mall extremities of the park. That was pretty disgusting. There's a creek. There's a big creek down there. Maybe crocodiles. It's like a creek, I guess. I don't guess. I believe. Yeah, it's just a little creek with adventure. Ooh, there's rocks. Hello.
What you doing?
I'm recording. You asked me the same question twice. London's trying to kill the ice cream that we got from McDonald's. I already ate mine. He's destroying your ice cream, London. He's stabbing it with the spoon. I never thought that would work. Stabbing things with the spoon.
I'm using the sun as one of my weapons.
To burn ice cream?
Yeah.
I don't think ice cream's burnable. It's already a liquid by itself. Yes, it is. Ice cream's a liquid. Like ice cream's not solid; it's a liquid. Well, I don't know. I think it's a liquid though. Ooh, this is the creaky bridge that's over the creek. Oh god, it's so scary. Let's go across. You get a good view of the creek. It actually looks pretty nice from here. That's a beautiful picture. Well, it's not a picture, it's a video. There's this swamp down there that goes into the creek. Someone keeps on littering. There's a bag. So evil. London, these people are littering. What do you have to say about that, Sandy Sand? Seats down there. What do you have to say?
They're horrible people.
Yeah, I thought that too.
They should go down there and see how it's like
having trash on their faces.
Yeah. It's making the world mad.
Yeah. It's evil. I thought you were gonna record.
I'm gonna record after I finish.
Oh. I'm hiding in the wilderness. With Sanie Sand.
Yay!
Yay. Mr. Turtle. Come out wherever you are, Mr. Fox and Mr. Turtle. More littering. How even dare they? They need to be kicked. How dare they litter again? Stress. People are evil and littering. Oh my god. Whoa.
What are you doing?
I'm telling them about this. This is the stick that's coming out of the ground.
Dude, look over the camera and see where you are.
I am in the wilderness. I know that. What?
Come here. Look at that tree.
Oh my god. It's been attacked.
Dude, show the camera. Show them what the tree looks like. It fell. No,
I showed them.
that big one.
Oh. I thought you meant that.
No.
Oh jeez.
Yeah. Do you reckon that's from the ice storm?
Nah, the ice storm happened way too long ago.
Yeah, but still.
I don't think it's the ice storm. What do you think tell me in the comments what do you think, guys? I think it was a tsunami.
Wait, what?
I think it was a tsunami.
Okay. I think it probably just fell down for some reason.
That's not how nature works. Some more broken up wood. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Batman. The grass goes green on the other side. The grass goes green. The grass grows green. Dun, dun, dun. What is this? What is that? Hey, Sanie, what do you think this is? It looks gross, but cool at the same time. Can I show you guys? Yeah, what is that? I don't know what that is.
Okay.
Look at these. What are
So
those?
I'm gonna go throw this away and then go get my camera.
Okay, bye. Sanie Sand left the party, but he may join later. Ew. Nature. Actually, just the park, I guess. The parks. It should be sliding, but I don't think my mom wants me to be on the swings because she's scared that kids may want to take the camera for themselves and steal. But I don't think that's gonna happen. Tell me what you guys think. I like how I tell you guys what you think because I love reading the comments. It's so fun. What do you guys think? Ooh, nature. It's scary. Yeah. Nature. No, seriously. There's evil litter people in nature.
Yeah.
Ooh, a stream. There's so many streams here. It's not that deep.
Jimmy, no, watch out. I'm gonna push you.
Well, just kidding. Dude, it's not that deep. I wouldn't care if you pushed me.
Cool.
I don't know.
Dude, if it is, let's mine it.
You don't have anything to mine it with. Oh, I can't even pick it up.
We can mine it with stick.
Oh crap, I might fall, dude. But it doesn't really matter. It's just
Butterfly.
parkour. Where?
It left.
It left you, Jerry.
Kindle. I mean, Wicco. I don't know why I call you that.
Well, that's my name in real life, but I just use Wicco as my nickname.
Yeah, that's good.
I don't care if you know my real name, but like my first name, but I don't, but not my last name. Yeah, that's it. Or you could just know my last name, but not my first name.
Jeremy,
What?
do you want me to tell them?
No. I'm not posting that on the internet.
I know.
You're not allowed.
I'm not. I barely even use it. Barely even use that.
Dude, are you even recording?
No.
Oh.
Until you get ready.
Nature. Nature. Nature, I say.
Nature!
Listen to me, nature. I will defeat you, nature. Sapenya Sadamisura. The Lion King. Nature, it's evil, London.
It's not evil.
Well, you're making it evil by slapping it.
How does that work? So if I slap that tree, is it evil?
No. Yeah, because it gets mad at you and it might slap you back if this was Minecraft.
Kindle.
Or a fake video game.
Kindle.
Like Terraria or something. Yeah?
Watch this.
Nature's evil.
No. Building a house.
That's such a nice house.
Thank you.
Now it's a bridge to get over the lake. It's broken.
You're a horrible person.
I know. I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna start recording.
Oh, London's about to start recording. That's gonna be fun. You should check out the rest of the video on his channel. Anyway, bye guys. Thank you for watching and bye.